Alright guys, what's up? Today, me and Levi are back hiking. Levi's all the way down there. But today we are going to High Falls in Glenville, NC.
This is a Ryan Little production.
The trail we're on today is 1.5 miles there and back. It's called High Falls. If you look up High Falls, it comes up the different High Fall because there's two High Falls. So I'll put in the description of which one this is. We have made it to Upper Falls. This is the upper part. This is the Upper Falls. Below, down there, would be, I guess, the lower falls, I guess we call it. But this is Upper Falls. Check it out. Absolutely insane looking. I love these rocks. These rocks are so cool looking. It is absolutely insane. If you haven't seen, we have definitely made it to the lower falls. It is absolutely insane looking. This is my first time being here. If you've never been here, you need to come and check it out. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you, between the rocks and the falls, everything together, just absolutely insane. But it's like a jungle. It's like a jungle. It's insane looking. It's just flowers and everything, just insane looking. Levi's down there eating a bar. He's coming up, say what's up. What you thinking, Levi?
Woo. Did you show him?
Not yet.
Sons, I'm eating a Nutri-Grain Fig Newton. Anyways, this like waterfall might be, in my opinion, better than the waterfall we went in the last video.
Crapshoot Falls.
Yeah.
I think it is. I think it is.
Yeah, this waterfall is beautiful. And it's even more beautiful because we have it to ourselves.
Oh yeah.
It's like, I feel like I'm in the jungle of like Costa Rica or something.
That's what I was saying. It's like
crazy.
It's like a jungle out here.
Yeah.
Can't even explain it. You know?
I can't like imagine here in the summer though, there's so many people. It would be an epic place to go swimming. I mean, beautiful. The water's blue.
Alright guys, me and Levi are going to go ahead and head out. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I love each and every one of y'all. I want to thank all my subscribers. I know I don't have really any subscribers compared to anybody else, but I'm really thankful for it. I really am. And I'm thankful for every like, every comment, and everything of attention that I get on my videos. And very thankful for all of y'all. And I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. I mean, check this out. Absolutely insane. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out and live freely.